Hello and welcome to this video on how to stay safe during an earthquake. Earthquakes can happen anytime, anywhere, and it is important to be prepared for them. In this video, we will go over some tips and guidelines to help you stay safe during an earthquake. First and foremost, it is important to understand the different types of earthquakes and their warning signs. A sudden shaking or jolting of the ground. A loud rumbling or thundering noise. And cracking or breaking of the ground are all signs that an earthquake may be happening. If you are indoors during an earthquake, the best thing to do is to drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on to it until the shaking stops. If there is no table or desk available, you can also take cover against an interior wall and protect your head and neck with your arms. If you are outside, it is best to move away from buildings, power lines, and other structures that may collapse or cause injury. Stay in an open area, away from any hazards, and wait until the shaking stops. If you are in a high-rise building, it is important to stay away from windows and exterior walls as they may shatter during an earthquake. If possible, try to get to a lower floor as soon as possible. If you are driving during an earthquake, it is best to pull over to a safe place and stop the car. Avoid overpasses, bridges, and other structures that may collapse, and stay inside the car until the shaking stops. If you are in a crowded public place, such as a shopping mall, theater, or school, it is important to evacuate the building as quickly and calmly as possible. Avoid using elevators and use the stairs instead, as the power may go out during an earthquake and the elevators may not be operational. In conclusion, it is important to be prepared for earthquakes by having a plan in place, knowing the warning signs, and knowing what to do in different situations. Remember to drop, cover, and hold on if you are indoors, evacuate buildings if you are in a crowded public place, and stay away from hazardous areas if you are outside. Stay safe and be prepared. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.